Have you ever wondered why some people are super successful in business and no matter what it is that they do, they touch it and it's gold, and other people, they're just slaving away, they're putting crazy hours in and they're still not getting ahead and they're going around and around in the master wheel? Well, that is because they do not have the right strategy. Now, the thing about strategy is that you want to have the right strategy at the right time. Sometimes a strategy doesn't work for you because it is not in congruency with your personality type. Sometimes a strategy doesn't work because it's the wrong strategy for you. And sometimes a strategy doesn't work because you simply hate doing it, or it is too tedious, or it works for other people, but it doesn't work for you. I mean, there's 50 different things I could tell you on why strategies often don't work. My goal is to help you with the monthly masterclasses that we are launching to understand all these different types of strategies that are there and what is really happening in the market, in this environment at this very moment in time. I will tell you that what I see is a lot of lack of trust, safety is completely shattered, a lot of fear, recession, inflation. I mean, every time you turn on the news, there's another bad message. Let's not even talk about the madmen in Russia and what that means for our psychological safety. But we are business owners, and somebody still buys stuff. Somebody still makes stuff. Somebody still orders stuff. There's still people who are part of this stuff production, right? And they need to be taken care of. So obviously, there is work out there. You're just going to have to be a lot smarter and a lot more focused and a lot more clear about what strategy it is that you are maximizing now to get yourself to a position of financial stability so you can not just pay your bills, give to the causes you want to give to, take care of the people that you love, go on those vacations, and be really present and not freaked out 24/7 because you're not sure what's going to happen next. The master classes that we are facilitating, my team and I, we sat down, put our heads together. We said, we're doing these master classes because we want you to have access to the best, most cutting edge information that will make you victorious, that will make you want to love your work, that will want you to go back to feeling like you're a part of a bigger thing where we all in a community working toward a greater goal, which is to live fulfilled lives, to do something that's meaningful to us and help a ton of people. So take a look around on this masterclass page that we've created and choose however many masterclasses you would like to attend. They're completely free. They're workshop style. I'm here to help. It's my job to make strategy easy for you, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. And this is Beate Schlett, the Growth Architect.